Hi guys, looking for the best dash cam for your vehicle? In this review we'll help you choose the right model for your budget and requirements. With a dash cam installed, you'll always have video evidence at hand, should you need to prove your innocence after an accident. All products have to provide a certain level of satisfaction, receive positive reviews from trusted sources, and offer the right balance of value for money. If it ticks the right boxes, it's worthy of the list. So, let's get started. Number 5, JIMIMAX 4G, Front and Rear, Dash Cam. This dash cam is here with the 73% price off. Now you can get it at around $136. In today's fast-paced world, staying connected and informed is more important than ever, especially when it comes to ensuring road safety. With the JIMIMAX 4G Dashcam Front and Rear JC400A, you can take your vehicle's security and surveillance to the next level. This innovative device combines advanced technology with user-friendly features to provide you with peace of mind and enhanced protection on the road. Stay connected with 4G connectivity. The JIMIMAX 4G Dashcam Front and Rear JC400A features built-in 4G connectivity, allowing you to stay connected to the internet no matter where you are. With this feature, you can access real-time updates, stream live video, and even use your dashcam as a Wi-Fi hotspot, keeping you connected to the world even while on the go. Comprehensive front and rear coverage. Equipped with both front and rear cameras, the JC400A provides comprehensive coverage of your vehicle's surroundings. The front camera captures high-quality footage of the road ahead, while the rear camera monitors activity behind your vehicle, ensuring that you have a complete view of your surroundings at all times. Enhanced GPS tracking. This feature is especially useful in case of accidents or emergencies, as it provides valuable information for insurance claims and legal proceedings. User-friendly app integration. The JIMIMAX JC400A seamlessly integrates with a dedicated mobile app, allowing you to control and monitor your dashcam remotely from your smartphone or tablet. With the app, you can view live footage, adjust settings, and access recorded videos with ease, giving you complete control over your dashcam experience. Number 4, OBDPEAK H6, 12-inch car DVR, Dashcam. This dashcam is here with the 61% price off. Now you can get it at around $57. In an age where road safety is of utmost importance, having a reliable and advanced dash cam system in your vehicle is no longer just a luxury, it's a necessity. Enter the OBDPEAK H6 12-inch car DVR dash cam, a state-of-the-art device designed to revolutionize your driving experience with its impressive features and cutting-edge technology. Crystal clear 4K resolution. One of the standout features of the OBDPEAK H6 is its ability to capture stunningly clear footage in 4K resolution at 3840 by 2160 pixels. Whether you're driving during the day or at night, this dash cam ensures that every detail is captured with unparalleled clarity, providing you with reliable evidence in case of any unforeseen incidents. Comprehensive coverage with rear view mirror camera. Equipped with a 415 rear view mirror camera, the OBDPEAK H6 offers comprehensive coverage of your vehicle's surroundings. The rear view mirror camera provides a wide-angle view of the road behind you, allowing you to monitor traffic and ensure your safety while driving or parking. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi connectivity. With built-in GPS functionality, the OBDPEAK H6 allows you to accurately track your vehicle's location and speed, providing you with valuable information in case of emergencies or accidents. Additionally, the dashcam features Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling you to easily transfer and access footage from your smartphone or other devices. Enhanced security with Park Monitor. The OBDPEAK H6 comes equipped with a Park Monitor feature, ensuring that your vehicle remains protected even when parked. With this feature activated, the dashcam automatically starts recording if any motion or impact is detected, providing you with added security and peace of mind. The next is Number 3, Mirror Camera, Car Touch, Dashcam. This dashcam is here with the 65% price off. Now you can get it at around $32. In today's world, where road safety is paramount, having a reliable and efficient dashcam system in your vehicle is no longer a luxury but a necessity. The mirror camera for car, equipped with a touchscreen video recorder, rear-view mirror dash cam, front and rear camera, and mirror DVR black box, is a cutting-edge innovation designed to enhance your driving experience and ensure your safety on the road. Comprehensive coverage. The mirror camera for car offers comprehensive coverage of your vehicle's surroundings, thanks to its front and rear camera setup. The front camera captures the road ahead, while the rear camera provides a view of the vehicle's rear, ensuring that you have a complete record of everything happening in and around your car. Touchscreen video recorder. With its intuitive touchscreen interface, the mirror camera for car makes it easy to navigate settings, adjust recording modes, and review footage. The touchscreen functionality adds convenience and ease of use to your driving experience, allowing you to control the dashcam with just a tap of your finger. Rearview mirror dashcam. The mirror camera for car seamlessly integrates into your vehicle's rearview mirror, providing a discreet and streamlined look. The dashcam functions as a mirror when not in use, ensuring that it does not obstruct your view while driving. When activated, it transforms into a powerful recording device, capturing high-quality footage of your journey. Front and rear camera recording. Whether you're driving on the highway or navigating through busy city streets, you can trust that this dashcam will provide clear and detailed footage of your surroundings. The next is Number 2, HP 4K Front, Rear Camera, Dashcam. This dashcam is here with the 73% price off. Now you can get it at around $60. In an era where road safety is paramount, having a reliable dashcam in your vehicle is no longer a luxury but a necessity. The HP 4K front and rear camera dashcam is a cutting-edge device designed to provide comprehensive coverage and unmatched clarity for your driving experiences. Let's delve into the features and benefits of this innovative car DVR video recorder. Crystal clear 4K resolution. The HP 4K front and rear camera dashcam boasts a stunning 4K resolution, ensuring that every detail on the road is captured with unparalleled clarity. From license plates to road signs, you can rely on this advanced dashcam to provide crystal clear footage, making it easier to review and analyze any incidents or events. Dual camera system. Equipped with both front and rear cameras, this dashcam offers complete coverage of your vehicle's surroundings. The front camera captures the road ahead, while the rear camera provides a view of the vehicle's rear, ensuring that you have a comprehensive record of everything happening in and around your car. Enhanced night vision. With its advanced night vision technology, the HP dashcam ensures that you have clear and detailed footage even in low-light conditions. Whether you're driving at night or through dimly lit areas, you can trust that this dashcam will capture every detail, keeping you safe and secure on the road. Parking monitor. The built-in parking monitor feature provides added security for your vehicle when it's parked. The dashcam automatically activates and starts recording if it detects any motion or impacts while your car is parked, ensuring that you have evidence in the event of vandalism, theft, or other incidents. The next is Number 1, Global 70mm Dashcam A810 Dashcam. This dashcam is here with the 58% price off. Now you can get it at around $104. In today's fast-paced world, having a reliable dashcam is essential for both safety and peace of mind while driving. The Global 70mm Dashcam A810 is a cutting-edge device designed to provide drivers with unparalleled recording capabilities, advanced features, and superior performance on the road. Crystal clear Ultra HD 4K resolution. The Global 70mm Dashcam A810 sets the standard for clarity and detail with its Ultra HD 4K resolution. Every moment captured by this advanced camera is rendered in stunning detail, allowing you to review footage with exceptional clarity. Whether you're documenting a scenic drive or capturing critical details during an incident, the A810 ensures that nothing is missed. Built-in GPS and ADAS for enhanced safety. Equipped with built-in GPS and advanced driver assistance systems, the Global 70mm Dashcam A810 goes beyond simple recording. The GPS feature provides precise location data for every recording, while ADAS offers real-time alerts for lane departure, forward collision, and other potential hazards, helping drivers stay safe and alert on the road. Auto record and motion detection. With its auto record function, the A810 ensures that you never miss a moment, automatically capturing footage as soon as you start your vehicle. Additionally, its motion detection feature provides added security by recording any movement around your vehicle when it's parked, safeguarding against potential theft or vandalism. Wide-angle lens and rear cam support. Featuring a 150-degree field of view, the Global 70mm Dashcam A810 provides an expansive perspective of the road ahead, capturing more of your surroundings with minimal distortion. So this is the best option for you to buy.